that's pretty cool. I didn't even get that one.
Excuse me. Any guess what?
Oh. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, that's
that
cool.
was cool.
That's the coolest one I've seen. Okay.
Nice.
That, why does it look like it reminds me of Alien versus Predator? What is that? when they open their mouth and their teeth are all like slimy. Ew.
It was inspired by it.
Yes, exactly, by 5 Minute Crafts. Okay.
Oh, it's like a screwdriver for which you can. Wow. Okay.
That's
Start in
cool,
your
yeah.
bike.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Not bad at all.
This also works in car things.
Yeah. Not.
Watch our car hack videos. Yeah, it's not great.
I'm just confused. What is going on?
I don't know. They're drilling in a piece of metal, I believe. They just screwed something to another piece of metal, I believe.
Yeah. Then to another piece of...
What? Ah, so if it gets messed up, then it locks it back in place, I'm guessing?
Ah, okay. So,
but I feel like
it can hurt you,
yeah,
right?
exactly. I'm thinking when you're actually, pedaling your bike, it could nick you or something, like it could cut you. Yeah.
Oh, so to tie your chain?
I don't know how I feel about these ones, to be honest. I don't know how useful they're going to be.
I think it's...
Chain tensioner.
Okay.
Shouldn't my chain be tense already? Okay, pretty cool. Wrapping up this bike. Why? It looks really nice already.
Yeah, now it's much...
He's like, I want to show you my crocheting skills.
Oh, it's the practical side of it, you know?
Okay. Whoa! Wow, okay.
Okay.
What are we doing here? That was so fast.
It's just the cleaning.
All right.
Okay.
So we got. We're ruining a bike. Why? What's the point? He's like, I hate bikes.
Yeah.
I never learned how to learn how to ride one. I'm so mad. I need to destroy all of the bikes.
Yeah. I have an angle grinder and I can't do it.
Wow, that's pretty aggressive. Okay.
Actually.
So I guess maybe he's upgrading the bike. Like he's gonna make an even better bike with the
I
parts.
hope so.
Yeah, because it seemed like a nice bike before.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a little bit of a shame, buddy.
But will he able to make it better?
Maybe. He looks like
Also
maybe he doesn't hate bikes. Maybe he loves bikes and he wants to make them as good as they possibly can be. Fulfill their potential.
Exactly.
I wish someone would take as much interest in me as he does in his bikes.
Before you can make something beautiful, you need to destroy it.
Exactly. Yeah, sure, fine. You can destroy me if you make me better. This is deep. Anyway. So we have, it looks like an IKEA drill.
Yep.
Ooh.
Hydrophobic system.
Hydrophobic system, all right.
That's how it goes, right?
Yeah.
The whole keto.
It just works with pressure and liquid, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. It also could work with the air, but that's less effective because the air could be, absorb more, but there is no. Okay, that's perfect.
Okay. Interesting.
I'm not too smart.
Okay. It sounded pretty smart while you were saying it. I was completely lost. So, guys, let us know. Are we smart? Probably not. Okay. But that's kind of annoying. You have to press it all the time. Oh, okay. If it's there, it's okay.
So I think you just adjust it and drive.
Yeah. And plywood. Okay, that looks maybe uncomfortable.
I don't know what's the practical thing. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they're buttons.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess it's just to make sure that there isn't a distance between the fabric and the wood.
Maybe.
But it looks kind of wrinkly. Dampens. Okay, I believe you. I like when they put words above their videos. Like it's how you're supposed to listen to it.
Yeah.
Dampens. Okay, sure.
Some people need explanation.
I guess so,
right?
Yeah.
But to paint them, it's
kind of. It looks kind of cool now. With orange and black is a cool color combination.
Where's the brake system?
Brake system? What are you?
No, seriously.
A loser? Who needs brakes when you have gas?
It's actually dangerous to drive.
It looks very dangerous, but I like it. I like the danger.
Well, okay. So
let's see it work.
Man.
Let's see it work.
Oh, mate. Oh, mate.
Oh my gosh, I didn't realize that that's how the wheels worked. That's so scary. Okay, it is dangerous. I changed my mind. 10 out of 10 danger. Okay.
Okay. We don't need it.
Nope, don't need it. Pop tubes. Just pop those tubes on there. All right. That is the worst looking bike ever. Nice, bro. I mean, creativity wise,
yeah,
pretty good. Pretty good.
Pretty good. As I remember, it was a trend at some moment.
Okay, we got the degreaser. We're gonna degrease these babies.
Yeah. Okay.
Grease is the worst thing ever, I realized. Like, I feel bad for mechanics because I've never had to handle grease before not long ago.
Yeah.
I touched it and it was on my hand for like 2 weeks. Even, no matter how hard I washed, no matter, it was just on my hand.
Serious?
Yeah, it was pretty gross.
Like, but there is special soap to get rid of all this
okay.
oil, this thing, and
True.
to glue and.
Okay.
Is it really one?
I don't know if that's gonna be like stable the whole time.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
Ugh.
Drain your bike.
It's me after Mexican food. All right, so we're taking off the tire, putting it. Oh, okay.
Tuesday, right?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
I guess so. I guess the pressure of the Twix.
I mean, it could work for a couple of hours.
Couple of hours, yeah. If you need a bike for a couple of hours, watch 5 Minute Crafts.
I mean, if you broke somewhere and you need to reach that place,
pretty cool. If you don't have anything else.
Yeah, but you have a glue gun and a syringe and.
You want to mess up your wheels? Do that.
We tested this.
Yeah,
and it works.
It's good.
Yeah.
Felt protector.
Yep.
Okay. So now it doesn't scratch your stuff, I guess. Pretty good.
You know, you just
Watching these videos, I just get so mesmerized. Wow.
That's true.
Where did they get all these bikes? So many questions. Where do they get all these bikes? Where do they get the idea to do this to these bikes? Who lets them ruin their bikes? In the wind.
Everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, flight away. Okay. Oh, it's a holder for your flashlight, I guess.
Ah, very nice. I like it. Cool.
Well,
what do we got here? We're breaking some more bikeage. What?
So they just want to tell us that it's impossible to unscrew. You just need to.
Yeah, you have
weld
to
it.
actually. You have to have welding equipment to fix your bike. Yeah.
Easy, right. I guess. No.
Easy if you have a tool.
Yeah.
And you know how to weld. All right, we got chain links, linking them up. What are we doing here?
Another tool, I guess. What? Oh, to unscrew your
star. Okay. The star, nice.
Yeah, the star.
Yep, that's a nice little practical way.
Yeah. And
oh no!
Oh!
I can't steal a bike anymore.
I think after the first dry.
Rusty chain. Hey, don't call me a rusty chain. It's not cool. Yeah, I mean, it's true that you can get rust off with Coca-Cola.
What?
Which is, it makes you question why you put that in your body, but...
Yeah. To clean up your body?
Yeah, exactly. I got some rust in there.
Yeah. You restart.
Ooh, liquid foam or soap. Ah, to clean the inside of the thing or take it off?
Take it off, I guess.
Ah,
yeah, okay.
Nice.
Lubricate it, right?
Yep. We're gonna use more of those. Ah, we have cool handles now. Nice.
I guess.
Yeah,
that's fine.
So we got 2 toothbrushes here. We saw this earlier. It looks like they're showing us the actual process. That's cool.
That's
I like that machine. It's a cool machine.
But still, you need to add some oil on it.
Yes, yeah. So maybe get some WD-40 and spray it along as you go. We're making a jeans fabric seat. Okay, that's weird.
You know, I always was scary for such a seat on the bike.
Yeah, I know they look very. They look intimidating for sure.
But as I understood, it's for comfortable driving.
I don't know, man. Whenever I
for-
drive it, I'm like, oh, my butt cheeks are completely spread. This is not comfortable.
It's actually, yeah. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
get rid of
The old paint job so that they could put on a new clean sheet. Nice red, okay. Hot rod red. I don't know if I like red. Like,
Red, it's mean sport, right?
yeah.
The,
Sport
the
bike.
fast.
Red, yeah, red. Everyone knows red makes
Yeah.
you go faster.
Exactly. So it's kind of vintage one, right?
It does look kind of vintage. I like
Yeah.
it.
Without speed changing, but still.
I feel like they changed the handle though.